Hi, welcome. So in this video, we are going to look at how do you register integration as agentic AI tools. Tools are very important for agentic AI solutions. Tool is the one which actually calls your external applications or the integration, whatever. AI agents use tools, which is main ingredient for the agents. Without tool, AI agents cannot do anything. So AI agent uses tool to communicate with the external world. When I say external world, it can be application, it can be your documents, it can be your anything, right? So whatever you want to, or database or FTP, whatever you wanted to expose to the AI agent, you have to expose via tool. So between application and AI agents, you have a tool like a mediator who would be doing the heavy lifting. So in case of OIC, we have built various integrations. So all those integrations are calling various applications, various APIs, whatever, and you can expose all your activated REST-based integration as AI tools in Oracle integration. AI agents uses integration as a agentic AI tools to connect to the external world. It can be API, it can be database, it can be FTP, it can be documents. And the AI agent determine which integrations to use and in which order to achieve the goal that you define. So every integration, every activated REST-based post integration can become your tool in OIC. And once you create a tool, of course, you have to provide the role of this tool. So let's begin and see how you can create tools in OIC. So here, see, we have various integration that we have created, right? So we have retrieve task, we have a take action, we have a get user details and reassign tasks. So let's expose all those integration as a tool. So what you need to do, you have to go here, tools, and let's say add. So integration, you have this project, the same project, and it will show you all the active integration. Let's say retrieve task first, and then selected integration is not supported. Why so? Okay. Okay. Let's say for now, take action. We will look at it. What is the problem? Create, and then take action. You have to give the proper guidelines here. So I'm saying description, need to perform action, approve, reject, etc. on the specific task. And here you can see all the parameters, task ID, action comment, and I'm saying these are required. These are required. Save. So what we did, we say take action, and this description is mandatory and important. That actually help you to decide which tool to call, which help agent to decide which tool to call. So that is the first. Second tool we are going to create is reassign task. Or let's say for now, reassign task, take action we have done. User requested data, which is used to get the data which user has submitted. So again, you have to provide a description here. This is used to get request data based on the task ID. Save class. Third tool I'm going to create is reassign task, create. So I'm simply choosing and then creating it. Let's wait. Reassign task. So you say you are responsible to reassign the task to the user, save it, clause. Now let's see the first one. It says retrieve task. It says selected integration is not supported. Let's go back and just check which is your retrieve task. It should be the post. Let's see if it is post or not. Yeah, it is post. Endpoint metadata. It is post. Okay, so it is not using any parameter. So it is give to one parameter. That may be the possibility. You can create a parameter, but not use it at all. So that is one of the mandatory stuff. And that may be a one bug that Oracle may resolve it later. Let's add one request here. So since we have not added the request payload here, that may be the mandatory for the tool to expose. I will give anything for now, maybe request ID. Okay, continue, 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 finish. Though we are not using request ID, but we have given here for now, close, activate, debug, activate. And now this can be exposed as a tool 100%. Plus retrieve task. Here you see it is done. Create. Now here, what you are going to give, you are going to give the description here. So you can say you are responsible to get the task, to get for getting the task of the user and can handle queries such as how many tasks are pending for me, give me my latest task, what task on which I need to take actions on, and give me all my tasks. Giving some examples also for agent to understand which tool to call. And since we don't need this parameter, you can say uncheck this and save. So what we have done, we have exposed all our integrations as a tool. And lately, we would be creating the agents and adding those tools and then calling it. So for now, that's it. Thank you.